business insurance. The reason why I want us to talk about this is because we've lost lives, and I'm very heartbroken because of that. And at the same time, we've also lost a lot of property. Now, when it comes to business insurance, or basically if you own a business, you're supposed to insure that business. Haufai kuwa tu unakaa hivi, because this is where we talk about risk management. You're supposed to take care of the unforeseen circumstances that might arise. Okay, when it comes to business insurance, never assume that you have covered everything, because business insurance bare minimum means you're covering against fire and burglary. But then there are so many other extra things which are optional for you to take, and also dependent on which type of business you're in, because different businesses either deal with a lot of cash or maybe goods in transit and all that. So I'm just going to explain a few items. So by the time you approach someone, or basically hata ukinikujia unaniambia business insurance, of course I'll tell you there are other options, but if you don't come to me, ask that person you have approached to tell you what else can you cover for your business. Then you can decide if you're going to add any other optionals, or okay hivyo, and in case something happens, then you don't have anyone to blame. So for example, in the current situation, the business insurance, either you had or haukuwa nayo, did it include political violence and terrorism? So if you had a business insurance and it did not include that, then chances of kulipwa ni zero, because you did not take up cover for that, unless it was already included for the bare minimum of fire and burglary. Okay, so you also want to know the limits, like how much was covered for that specific cover. Okay, but then in terms of biashara, let's say you own a restaurant. That means you really receive a lot of clients within your premises. Do you know you're supposed to have a public liability cover as well? Si ati unachukua tu bare minimum fire and burglary, because in case I come to that restaurant na niumie within that premises, I can actually take you to court. Okay, and if you had not maybe put a sign that either danger or something to alert me that I should be passing there and be careful, then you can pay me a lot of money. But this, for the insurance company to come in, lazima ulete court order ndio waanze kukusaidia. Then we have all risks. All risks inamaanisha if you have this electronics, kuna zenye zinaweza ibiwa, like TVs, cameras, hizo zinaweza ibiwa ama zichomeke just because stima labda zimepotea, then there was a short fuse or something, then inaharibika. So you also just want to make sure that if your business also has some electronics, make sure you include that as well. If your business deals with a lot of cash, you are supposed to include money insurance, so that in case either employee ama mkuje muibiwe, you can be able to recover that money. If your business relies on doing major deliveries, you can also include goods on transit. Ndio hizi goods zikienda zipotele kwa barabara, ama your delivery person avamiwe, ama zipotee tu, ama hata ipate, like the person delivering apate accident, and Kenyans, they are going to come and carry what wamepata on the road. Yeah, so for that you also want to just take care of that, if you have items that are always on transit. Okay, so depending on your type of business, just come say this is what we deal with, what do you think I can take up and what is not. Then in case something happens, then you know what you covered for and what you did not cover for. Please always ask about options apart from the bare minimum. What else can I cover? So in case you need a quotation, just to be safe for next time. Kindly reach out. We can be able to work out a quote for you, and then we see how we can be able to assist you. Ndio next time usianze kuambia watu please nichangieni because my business has been burnt down, or now I have to start from zero because this and this happened. In case this happens, you will just claim from the insurance company and you don't have to start from zero. Okay, so reach out. Tupange maneno, we take care of risk. I hope you have learned, and I'll be seeing you next time. Bye.